Hi guys, I'm back with the gel polish mini. So y'all see these nubs? Y'all see them? Y'all see the nubs? So I decided to do some press-on nails, to make my own press-on nails. So this is a first for me. And I like it. So the nails that I'm using are by Triple D. There's a quick stick acrylic tips. They're full coverage tips. They're extra short coffin. And so once I found my sizes, I did do a label and put that on the inside so that I just know for these particular tips, I know what size to use. And I think I kind of missized it a little bit. But since then I have measured my nails. And so I did apply one coat of Madam Glam's base coat on top of these tips. I didn't buff them or anything like that. And so I did want to point that out. And so the base coat says cure for 30 seconds, but the color said cure for 1 minute. So I'm using Joy Perfect White, which is a color in a mini bottle from Madam Glam. And I'm going to use Christmas Essence. Both Joy and Christmas Essence are from Madam Glam's House of Reflections collection. And so y'all, I'm just polishing these doggone press-ons. You know, this is my first time doing that, so we gonna polish and then we gonna cure. Now one thing, I wish I had like the individual stands, because at one point I did end up getting gel polish on my skin and messing the nail up before curing. I just wiped that gel polish off as quickly as possible off my hand, and then I repainted the nail because again I hadn't cured it yet. And so I could have actually, with the color Joy, I could have actually done 3 colors on the nail tip, because these tips were pretty clear, and so I could have technically gotten away with 3 coats. I could have even put a coat of Christmas Essence underneath, like as the first layer, and then follow up and put that on top, because you can see with the first layer it's pretty translucent. So very pretty colors. Of course, this is a Christmas themed set, and so I'm also going to do some nail stamping on these nails as well. So y'all just hang out with me. So I'm just going in doing a second coat of color on each nail after curing. I should have turned the tip around and kind of got the free edge and painted the opposite direction as well. That's the good thing about tips. And also I have to get better with polishing, because you know, when you're using gel polish, it's easy to get gel polish on the side walls of that nail tip, because you're not polishing your hand, you're polishing a nail tip. And so once I get that second coat of color on all the nails, I'm then going to cure for 1 minute in my LED lamp. So once I got the nails cured, I do like polishing some tips. Once I got them cured, I'm wiping the middle nail off with a lint-free wipe and alcohol because I am going to do some nail stamping. So I have my little Maniology mat there, and I have 2 Maniology stamping polishes. Now the first go around, and this plate was from the box, I think it's Box of Joy or Box of Cheer, something like that, and I am an affiliate of Maniology, so I will have a discount code in the description box as well, and it is an affiliate code. And I happened to find a single stand that came in Clear Jelly Stampers advent calendar box that I purchased last year, and so at first I thought it would be good to mix up that red and the gold, but it just wasn't stamping right. So I think I tried this twice and it just didn't do what I wanted it to do. And plus that red was a little too light. It went with the holographic red in the gel polish color, but it didn't really go with the solid red. The solid red was a little dark once you put on 2 coats. And so I'm doing that again, and I place it on the nail, and then I was like, I don't think I like that. It was streaky. And so I just went in with a lint-free wipe and acetone and wipe that off the nail. The good thing about stamping with this, you're not getting it on your skin. You just clean it off the nail before you put it on your hands. And so I didn't just go in with the plain red, stamp the image, and it is a layering image, and then I go in with the gold and stamp on top of that. Wish I would have stamped the outline in like a gray or a black so it would have stood out more, but the gold did what the gold was supposed to do, I guess, and I think it went well with the holographic red that was in the other nails. And so I'm lining that up to the best of my ability. I think I did pretty good, and once I let that dry for a while, I shouldn't say a while, a few seconds, I then go in with Madam Glam's no wipe top coat, and I'm going to cure for 30 seconds as per the bottle instructions. And I'm going to get these nails put on. So once these nails have cured in my LED lamp, I have some sticky tabs. Now, I'm not the person to put some glue on now. We'll try that later. But here are the nails, nice and shiny, cured, beautiful. And so with my nails, I push back my cuticles and clean them with alcohol. I didn't buff any shine off or anything like that. So I have these adhesive tabs, and I'm just sizing those up with the nail. And I have some new ones that I just purchased on Black Friday that I want to try. They're like supposed to be extra sticky. And so with these, my thumb popped off the next day. Like I was at work and it popped off. I just think from just hand washing, and pulling your pants up, down, all that stuff, snapping buttons, it just popped off. And so I'm applying that, rubbing that on the nail, and then I'm going to remove the plastic cover. Y'all should already know how these work. And then I'm going to put the nail on. The other nails, and I have something that I use to get the nails off because I saved them because you can reuse them. They didn't tear up or nothing like that. Now I had to scoop that little putty out of there. I was like, if you don't get out of here. And so I'm just applying that to the nail. Again, I think I sized the nails a little. I think the thumbnail was fine, but I think my ring finger and my pinky, it was a little too small. But I thought they were cute. All the same shape and everything. So my right hand will probably be nubby for a while. And so here are all of the nails on. Okay, not cute, cute, cute. I did apply some cuticle oil. You can see my pinky was popping up. I think it was just a little too small, my pinky and my ring finger. But I thought this was cute. And so just as an FYI, to get these off, I do use Glue Gone adhesive, bandage and adhesive remover. So it works well. I mean, you can put it on and it pops the nail right off. It's safe for the skin. So guys, please like this video if you found value. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think and subscribe to my channel. It is free. 99. So I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.